Hi, I'm Abhay and I'm going to discuss the detection of communities in complex networks with the help of Antline Optimizer. Now, what comes in your mind when you hear the term community in networks? Community, which is also known as module or cluster, is a group of relatively connected nodes. For example, in social networks, communities correspond to group of friends who attended the same school or same hometown, and communities corresponding to scientific disciplines. These group of nodes formed in real networks are known as community structures. Figure shown in the right side represents the three different how communities can be detected in networks. There are two possible sources of information which can help in detecting communities, that is network structure, and the other one is feature and attribute of nodes. Several approaches had been proposed by various authors which help in detection of communities. They are broadly classified into two categories. One is analytical and other is evolutionary. Some of the analytical approaches are H-betweenness based divisive algorithm of Newman method, and the global and local criteria of Martelot. Some authors had also used various evolutionary algorithms in field of community detection. Some of them are ant colony optimizer, artificial bee colony, modality improved genetic algorithm, and enhanced firefly algorithm. Most of the approaches in the field of community detection are based on the modality fitness function. It is one of the most widely used functions that evaluate the quality and strength of community structure. Newman and Given was the first who had introduced the modality and defined the modality as the comparison of the number of intercluster edges with the expected number of intercluster edges when the graph is randomly rewired based on the degree of nodes. The first term in the modality equation, that is Li divided by L, represents the fraction of number of intercluster edges, whereas the term square of Di divided by 2L is the fraction of expected number of intercluster edges. This is the Newman and Given modified formula for modality, where Aij is the adjacency matrix, M is the number of edges in network, Di and Dj are the degree of nodes I and j, and the delta Ij is the function which return 1 when both I and j are in the same community, otherwise 0. Now, before describing antline optimizer, firstly, what are antlines? Antlines are basically doodlebugs, and their names originate from their unique hunting behavior and their favorite prey. An antline digs a cone-shaped pit in sand by moving along a circular path and throwing out sands with its massive jaw. The figure shows several cone-shaped pits with different sizes and the unique hunting behavior of antlines. Hypothesis about ALO. Now, before describing the algorithm, there are some hypotheses about antline optimizer which we have used in the implementation. Antline optimizer is population-based algorithm, so local optima avoidance is inherently high. Exploration of the search space is guaranteed by the random selection of antlines. Calculating the random walks for every ant and every dimension promotes diversity in the population. Antline relocate to the position of best ants during optimization, so promising areas of search space are saved. The best antline in each iteration is saved and compared to the best antline obtained so far. Antline optimizer for community detection. The very first step in the initialization of ants and antlines, that is, random solutions, are generated. After initialization, the best antline is selected from the generated population on the basis of fitness function. Modality function is used for the fitness criteria. More modality contributes the better antline. The quality of solution or antline is improved through random walk. After random walk, if the new ants have high fitness than antlines, then the antline's new positions will become positions of the ants. In each iteration, the antline with highest fitness is substituted as best antline. The process is repeated until the optimal solution is obtained.